Hello friends, welcome to my channel AnkitTechVibes. Today we are going to discuss about string data type in Python. Let's start. String is a sequence of character, or we can say collection of characters, and string is a sequence data type of Python, which means each character has index starting from 0, and strings are immutable. That is, once a string has been created, cannot be modified. And strings are enclosed within either using single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. And here triple quotes basically are mainly used for multi lines of comment or string. So let's see one by one. Creating strings. Creating strings using single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. Creating a variable string 1 to store single quote string. Mumbai is a string enclosed in a single quote. String 2 is a variable where string is enclosed using double quotes. And let's define string 3, which will store multi-line strings. Multi-lines like India is the best country. It has, oh sorry, we have to write within 3 quotes. So India is the best country. India is the best country. It has many beautiful cities, and it is one of the top 5 economies in the world. So we have taken 3 strings. First one is using single quotes, second using double quotes, and third one using triple quotes. Okay, so now printing these strings. String 1, print string 2, print string 3, save it and run it. Let's see the output. Oh my god, oh, I have put it 4 quotes at the end, so let's make it 3 and again run it. Yes, now we are getting the output as this. Now we are going to see how to access the content of strings. Because it is a sequence data type, so it has indexing start from 0. Accessing the characters of the string. So defining one string str1, and inside it pass the string Indian Railway. So when I created this string, then the first character has index 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The blank space is also counted as an index. Now printing or accessing the character. Let's say I want to print the letter R from string 1. So write string name, inside square bracket pass the index of this R. So it is present at 1, 0, no, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at 7th index. Save it, run it. Yes, we got the output R. Printing of strings can also be done by looping through string. Let's see how we are going to print strings by using for loop. Character in str1, print character ch. So it is going to print strings, each strings in a new line. Let's see output. Yes, we can see that I written first line and in second line like that. But what if we want to print each string in on the same line? To do that, put a comma and save it. Now if you run, the output will be on the same line Indian Railway, because we have putted this and equal to empty string or space.